How to use email marketing to sell your product. With the popularity of the internet, it is no wonder why email marketing has become one of the most popular ways for a company to market their product. Perhaps you have heard of this technique, but you do not know to use it. That's okay, you are in luck. The following video will tell you what you need to know about email marketing. Develop a consistent format and schedule for your marketing emails. By doing this, your customers will learn when and what to expect. Find a professional template that suits your business and use it every time. Alert your customers to the most relevant information at the beginning of the email. Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. Slowly build your contact list. Start with those who have already appreciated what you offer and then move on to areas where you can engage your prospects. It can take a while to pick whom should be receiving your emails, but it'll be worth it in the end to build a reliable contact list. If you have a client who has a birthday, make sure that you send a follow-up email that includes a happy birthday message on it. Include a request on the email that tells this person to go to a particular place. The ending can include a link that tells him or her that it is possible to become a subscriber by clicking on it. In conclusion, email marketing has become a favorable way to market a product, mainly due to the internet's popularity. Now you know the most important aspects of email marketing. By using these tips properly, you will not only become successful at email marketing, but you will find an increase in business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.